So, me and Sophie just gathered a bunch of black birch bark. I'm gonna put that in my tea because I have a brutal headache.
Hello.
The stuff has salicylic acid in it, and then it helps with headaches. So, just chuck that in there.
But the thing kept leaking on me.
And I'll warm it up.
Especially whenever it ended up getting diverted like this. So sometimes I pull up from my car and I get to the hiking spot. And just, I get there.
You're right, it does create a lot of smoke, Daddy.
Sure does.
It's one thing I'm going to miss about this location. Well, then again, maybe not.
What's that?
My little black birch saplings to make my,
I mean, you'll miss that about this location.
well, I just happened to look over and I'm like, maybe not.
Yeah, they're out. They're out there.
I had a whole grove of them right behind the shelter down below, but
Yeah, they're definitely here.
actually I think that's a good idea. I think I'm going to make me a spot of black birch tea.
Yeah.
Actually, it does sound pretty good right now.
Yeah?
Yeah. Helps with headaches too, so that's my main reason.
Yeah, Daddy has a headache.
Not really doing it properly for medicine, not making a decoction and making it really strong and blah blah blah. But I figured just throw a handful into my tea and maybe get something out of it. I can make a big deal out of it.
Yeah, but the taste of wintergreen oil from the tree tastes good.
It does.
Sure
Yeah,
does.
he's talking about it. Yeah, I think I'm getting a taste. Yeah. Good idea, Mitch. This tea hits this spot.
Headache gave me the idea.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I've never known it or heard of it being used for headache remedy, but I guess it makes sense.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, we found some over there, and I was just telling her some of the uses. And it was actually
Pitch
Sophie's
black.
idea.
Pitch black.
Pitch black. Great job.
Yeah, because Daddy said Daddy had a headache.
Exactly.
Oh, remember that tree? And
That I taught her about earlier, exactly. I'm like, oh, I'm sorry I'm cranky, sweetheart. I have a headache. I was being cranky, you know? I was just telling her I wasn't feeling good, and she was like, well, then let's get some of that tree you just told me about. That's good for headaches. I'm like, that is a great idea. Let's do that.